Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit.
Hi everyone, and thanks for watching. So in this video I will show you how to buy cryptocurrency in the easiest way for me. There is peer-to-peer. Okay, so let's start. So this is the main screen of Binance. Here we can see that it's saying buy crypto, and we will go here. There is saying peer-to-peer. So we will click here. Okay, great. So now we are inside. I will close this. We are inside the peer-to-peer of Binance, and there are some things to understand here. So the most important is fiat. So normally I buy from directly for bank transfer. So I will change the fiat that is in my country. So this is the first thing. You need to choose which fiat it's your country. Okay, so the second thing is to check which will be the best buyers to buy. For example, this is very good because it has 100% of completion and 216th order. That it's a lot. But we need to understand that we have, for example, for this buyer, we need to buy at least $1,000. So it's a lot. I was planning to buy, I don't know, $20, $30. Also here we can change how we want to pay it. Maybe I will click bank transfer. Okay, great. So this is very important also. Here this is like a yellow dot that is saying that this buyer is certified and approved by Binance. So this can be better for us to trust. For example, this one. Okay, great. So let me check one more thing. Okay, this can be very good. He's approved by Binance. He has almost 96, 97, 157. And we can buy at least 60 USDT. So we will buy USDT. The USDT is like the crypto dollar. That is a stable coin. And once we buy USDT, we can buy other crypto. So we will go here to buy USDT. Okay, here this is very important because we will write how much USDT we want to get. So we click here and we put, for example, 60. Okay, so I will buy 53 USDT. So then I will go here, buy USDT. It says successfully place the order. So now this part is very important because we are inside Binance. This part is very important because this clock is saying that we have 15 minutes to make the transfer. We have here all the information of the client. So basically what we have to do now is to transfer to that. So yeah, I have already made the transfer. So we click here, transfer, notify the seller. So now we will need to wait a little bit until he check that he has received. the order. Here we can check that he has 15 minutes to check that the transfer was made. And also, if we have any problem or something after the 15 minutes, we can click here where it says transaction issue, appeal after 15 minutes, 14. And if we click here, some people from Binance, from customer success, they will help us to issue the problem, to solve the problem. So now we just need to wait until he check that everything. Also, we click here, we can send the screenshot of the payment. So we show him that we have already paid. And that's it. And once he confirmed, you have marked the order as paid. Please wait for the seller to confirm and release the asset. And that will be everything. We just need to wait. So here we can see that the 53 USDT has been purchased, and here we can see that the order is complete. So basically that's it. I will put that the experience was positive. And that's it. So here we will go to wallet. Maybe it's in margin or maybe it's in fiat and spot. We will go here, fiat and spot. We need to wait a little bit. And yeah, it will be maybe in margin or funding. Normally they send the money to funding. Okay, here it is. It's in funding. We have 53 USDT. So what we should do now is we should no, I did a mistake. It's not send. We need to transfer from funding to spot. That's it. So we have the money on funding. We click here, and now funding to fiat and spot. We'll put max. We put confirm. We wait.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in